Miss Amy, how's it going? Video journal number 2 for programming. I think it's programming. No, no, it's management. Is it Yeah, management. Anyway, so yeah, video journal number 2. You asked us to talk about the SWOT, the SWOT, um, and the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats that a station analysis for a station, and noticed kind of a pattern evaluating or trying to come up with the strengths for the station. As we talked about in class, you can come up with the inverse weakness if construed in, you know, a not so good way. Such as, here are all my examples. This is on strengths. Plenty of students to pull for creative input. It's got a weakness counterpart. Too many students to pull for creative input. Strengths. Very limited range of needs to cater to because LPFM only extends so far, so it would be, well, in theory, relatively easy to kind of narrow down what our target programming would be. And so weaknesses counterpart to that would be too limited range of needs to cater to. And let's kind of see where I'm going with this. Anyway, strengths, free labor. Weaknesses, free labor, so cheap product. And strengths, already paid staff available for collateral management and production with the station. And the weakness counterpart of that is obviously no exclusively titled and paid staff to focus solely on the station. As far as opportunities goes, there's it seems like to me a pre-potted, already consolidated audience with those that are here. It's a commuter school, so they have cars in which to listen to their radio. So there are certain times that people will be getting in their cars. It's almost like I said, like this pre-potted kind of audience that's there. That's probably an opportunity to seize upon if you desire so. And there's also opportunities could utilize the college's already established recognition. So you just using the Forsyth Tech name alone kind of already establishes, it seems like, just by way of recognition. It's kind of, just piggybacking on the name that people have already not revere, but recognize, I guess I would say. So threats, not a lot. Because we're state funded, then like we talked about in class, there's natural disaster. There's always state collapse. Not that we're Venezuela or anything. And there's also the license to worry about. So not that we couldn't still, just stream online, but a rookie mistake, I guess, could get our license revoked as well. That'll be all. Thanks, Miss Amy.